First, use a 16mm socket to remove the 6 bolts that hold on the skid plate. Then, remove that skid plate from the vehicle. Next, unplug the main bumper harness connector. That's located along the driver's side frame rail, right in the front. Use an 8mm socket to remove the 2 bolts in the front of the inner fender wells. Do this on both sides of the vehicle. Using a 13mm socket, remove the 3 bolts that hold the oil cooler bracket to the frame. Then remove this bracket from the vehicle. Do this on both sides. Use an 18mm socket to remove the 3 mounting nuts per side that hold the OEM bumper to the vehicle. Once these nuts are removed, you can remove the OEM bumper from the vehicle. Reinstall the oil cooler brackets from the steps before. You're now ready to install your new bumper. Check our website at adddoffroad.com for our selection of parts for not only the Ram TRX, but also all other late model trucks.